Deep in the misty mountains, there's a secret place, a place where the air is crisp and the mist rolls over the peaks like a soft blanket. This hidden gem is a sanctuary, untouched by the hustle and bustle of the outside world. It's called Bamboo Valley, and it's home to pandas. These pandas are special. They are not just any pandas. They are the heart and soul of this valley. Here, they thrive in an environment that caters to their every need. They live in a village, a panda paradise. Imagine a place where pandas can roam freely, play with each other, and enjoy the abundance of bamboo. This village is designed to be a haven for these gentle giants, providing them with everything they need to live a happy and healthy life. Imagine fluffy black and white fur as far as the eye can see. Each panda has its own unique personality, and watching them interact is a joy. Some are playful and energetic, while others are calm and contemplative. But all of them share a love for bamboo and a peaceful way of life. The air is filled with happy panda noises, munching bamboo, playful squeaks, and the occasional snore. The soundscape of Bamboo Valley is a symphony of contentment. The pandas spend their days eating, playing, and resting, creating a harmonious and serene atmosphere. Life in Bamboo Valley is peaceful, thanks to their unique system, Panda Democracy. Yes, these pandas vote. They have a system where every panda has a say in the decisions that affect their community. It's a remarkable example of harmony and cooperation. The pandas gather in a central clearing to discuss important matters, and each panda's voice is heard. This democratic process ensures that every panda's needs are met, and the community thrives as a result. In Bamboo Valley, the pandas have created a utopia, a place where they can live in peace and harmony, free from the worries of the outside world. It's a testament to the power of community and the beauty of nature. Food is very important, even for pandas. Every month, the pandas gather for the Great Bamboo Vote. It's a very serious event. Each panda gets to vote on important questions. Where will the village find its bamboo this month? Which part of the forest has the tastiest leaves? Every panda gets a say. The pandas elect a leader, the top panda. Don't be fooled by the name, it's a big job. The top panda makes sure everyone has enough bamboo. They also decide the best spots for napping. Being top panda isn't about having all the power. It's about helping everyone. The pandas know a happy village is a village where everyone shares. Even panda love is part of the democratic process. When two pandas fall in love, they share a special stalk of bamboo. The village celebrates with them. And what about the cubs, you ask? Well, they have their own group, the Cub Congress. They learn about sharing, voting, and being good pandas. Section 5. When pandas disagree, Bamboo Diplomacy. Even in a peaceful village, pandas can disagree. Sometimes two pandas want the same sunny spot for a nap. That's when Bamboo Diplomacy comes in. They talk it out with the help of a wise older panda. They remember it's more important to be kind than to be right. There's always enough bamboo and sunshine to go around. Section 6. The Panda Code of Conduct. Pause for thought. The pandas have a special set of rules called the Panda Code of Conduct. It's simple but important. Rule number 1, always share the bamboo. Rule number 2, be kind to your fellow pandas. Rule number 3, napping is important, but so is helping others. These rules help everyone live together happily. Section 7. Lessons from Bamboo Valley. Sharing is caring. The pandas of Bamboo Valley teach us important lessons. These gentle creatures living in harmony with nature show us the beauty of community and cooperation. Sharing is one of them. In the heart of Bamboo Valley, the pandas demonstrate the essence of sharing every day. When we share what we have, everyone benefits. The pandas share their bamboo, their space, and their companionship, creating a peaceful and thriving community. Imagine a world where everyone shared their toys, their food, their ideas. The simple act of sharing can transform our lives and the lives of those around us. Their food, their ideas. Sharing isn't just about material things. It's about sharing knowledge, experiences, and love. It's about building connections and fostering understanding. Just like the pandas share their bamboo, we can share our resources and our kindness. By doing so, we create a network of support and compassion. We can share our resources and our kindness. This act of sharing extends beyond our immediate circle, reaching out to the broader community and even the world. It makes the world a brighter, happier place. When we embrace the spirit of sharing, we contribute to a more harmonious and joyful world. The pandas of Bamboo Valley remind us that sharing is not just an act, but a way of life that enriches everyone involved. Think about the impact we can make if we all adopted this mindset. Sharing our time, our skills, and our resources can lead to stronger communities and a more connected world. Whether it's sharing a meal with a neighbor, offering a helping hand, or simply sharing a smile, every act of sharing adds a little more light to the world. The pandas show us that sharing is a natural and joyful part of life. Let's take a leaf out of their book and make sharing a part of our daily lives. Together, we can create a world where sharing is the norm and everyone feels valued and supported. The lessons from Bamboo Valley are clear. Sharing truly is caring. As the sun sets over Bamboo Valley, let us remember the simple yet profound lesson the pandas teach us. Sharing enriches our lives and the lives of those around us. Let's carry this lesson with us and make the world a better place, one act of sharing at a time. Section 8, leading with a positive attitude. The top panda shows us that being a leader isn't about being bossy, it's about guiding others with kindness and understanding. The top panda leads by example, showing that true leadership is rooted in empathy and compassion. It's about helping others and making sure everyone is happy and taken care of. In the panda community, every member plays a vital role, and the top panda ensures that each panda feels valued and supported. This creates a harmonious environment where everyone can thrive. A good leader listens to their community and makes decisions that benefit everyone. The top panda spends time observing and understanding the needs of the group. By doing so, they can make informed decisions that promote the well-being of all pandas. Just like the top panda listens to the needs of the pandas, good leaders should always listen to their people. Listening is a crucial skill for any leader. It allows them to gain insights and perspectives that they might not have considered otherwise. Good leaders should always listen to their people. By fostering open communication, leaders can build trust and respect within their community. This not only strengthens the bond between the leader and their followers, but also encourages collaboration and innovation. The top panda also teaches us the importance of creating a positive environment. A leader who fosters positivity and encouragement can inspire their community to achieve great things. When pandas feel happy and secure, they are more likely to contribute their best efforts. Additionally, the top panda understands the value of rest and relaxation. A good leader knows that taking care of oneself is just as important as taking care of others. By ensuring that everyone has time to rest and recharge, the top panda helps maintain a healthy and productive community. Curiosity and a willingness to explore new ideas are also traits of a great leader. The top panda encourages the pandas to be curious and to seek out new experiences. This openness to learning and growth helps the community to continuously improve and adapt to changing circumstances. Cooperation and teamwork are essential for any successful community. The top panda leads by fostering a spirit of collaboration among the pandas. By working together, the pandas can achieve more than they ever could alone. This sense of unity and shared purpose is what makes the panda community so strong. Finally, the top panda shows us that love and affection are powerful tools for leadership. By showing genuine care and concern for each member of the community, the top panda creates a supportive and nurturing environment. This love and affection help to build strong, lasting relationships within the community. In conclusion, leading with a positive attitude means guiding others with kindness, empathy, and understanding. It's about creating a positive environment, fostering open communication, and encouraging curiosity and teamwork. By following the example of the top panda, we can all become better leaders and create a happier, more harmonious community. Section 9, Finding Balance, Bamboo and Beyond. The pandas of Bamboo Valley have found a balance in their lives. They work together, they play together, and they make sure everyone has what they need. Just like the pandas, we need to find balance in our own lives. We need to work, play, rest, and connect with each other. Section 10, From the Forest to the World. The pandas of Bamboo Valley might seem far away, living their peaceful lives. But their message is important for everyone, everywhere. It's a message of cooperation, sharing, and kindness. It's a message that reminds us that we can all live together in harmony, just like the pandas. Section 11, a positive future, humans and pandas. So, next time you see a picture of a panda, remember the pandas of Bamboo Valley. Remember their lessons of sharing, kindness and democracy. Let their playful wisdom inspire us to build a better world for everyone, humans and pandas alike. Let's all strive to make the world as peaceful and cooperative as Bamboo Valley.